Welcome, Halon Elsa.
Snowy morning, cabin light gleams, winter whispers soft in dreams, joyful laughter fills the streets, curious eyes catch distant beams. Snow tosses pure and bright, glinting sparkle comes in sight, hidden wonder pure in careful steps through snowy wood, hearts beat fast as courage stood, lost reindeer in cold and hood, gentle eyes where kindness flood, tender touch brings hearts we clear through drifts so deep, strength and care our promise keep, leaping friend begins to leap, homeward bound in joyful sweep, workshop in distance shine, sleigh bells ring in perfect time, reunion sweet, hearts intertwine, Santa smiles, all fears decline, grateful thanks from jolly men. Christmas magic forever.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the videos to help our channel grow even more. Thank you so much.